Hey up. I'm on my way to extend my visa, by which I mean go to a travel agency recommended by AI. They will send my passport to Phnom Penh, so I don't have to go to Phnom Penh, and I'll get another 30 days in Cambodia. I've not done much since I last recorded, which is probably about 4 days ago. Maybe not actually, no, probably only 2 days ago. I think the only thing to report is the ringworm is getting better. So yeah, yesterday was the day where I was like, oh, this is clearly getting better, thank goodness. So yes, good news, but very little has occurred other than that. I've been looking at Kampot, which is nearby, so I'm in Kampot now. I've been looking at Kampot, that looks beautiful. As always, I've done what I always do and committed to a property way too fast for way too long. You can rent properties in Kampot for $200 a month. I'm paying about $350 for, you know, a room basically, but it is nice. So yes, learning all the time, and really regretting not coming in on an e-visa. I don't know what I was thinking, because I don't think there's any difference. I think you just have to request, but it all just felt a bit too much, so I just took what they gave me, thinking that I'd want to move on anyway. But yeah, as always, is what I'm realising is when I find somewhere, here she is, look, hello, how are you? When I find somewhere that's just easy and works and I can get everything I need, admittedly I would like more nature. No, I'm definitely not in the right spot. But it's good enough to just do nothing for a while. So yeah, we're going to extend for another 30 days. I've already committed all that time to this place that I'm already in, which, yeah, like I say, was a mistake. I should really have gone to Kampot, and I still haven't even rented a bloody bike. Like I say, I've basically done nothing. Oh, bloody hell, let's go for it. You know. Yeah, always a mistake. But it's, you know, when you're just going from hotel to hotel and then you suddenly get the chance to rent somewhere long term and it's much cheaper, it means you don't have to move about and have a 3-hour gap every day where you're checking out of one place before you can check into another. It's easy to just go for it, and then obviously you learn more as you go along. So yeah, I've joined the expat Facebook group, and yeah, lots of properties in there on monthly rentals. Coconut bike man. The fact that this is cleared up means it's not ringworm. It must be something bacterial. Ew. Like the colours on this cockerel. I do love walking in Cambodia at this time. It's about 6 PM, so the sun's starting to go down. But it's probably about 5 PM actually. It's still, yeah, it's a bit too bright for 6 PM. Lovely temperature, but yeah, it is weird. It's weird living in a country where you basically can't leave the house after 9 AM until 5 or 6 PM. But I will get used to it. I will get better, you know. Vietnam was pretty cool, and Bali, I don't know, it didn't seem too hot. It was hot, but it didn't seem too hot. But yeah, it's very hot here. But it's great, you know, it's so good to live in the sun. Especially at this time of the day. It's beautiful. So my current thoughts around where next is debating between doing a border crossing to Vietnam and just coming back in on an e-visa, which frustrates me because I should have just got an e-visa straight away. So that will cost about $100 to do that. And you know, there's something that comes up, you've got to pay £30 for a visa into Vietnam, so I'm like, well, if I'm paying for a visa, I might as well go. If I'm paying £100, I might as well get a flight and go and experience the Philippines. But then you're starting again and you're back in hotels, and I've been looking at the prices of hotels in the Philippines and Malaysia, and they seem quite a lot more, especially when you found somewhere where you can rent long term for $200 a month, then it's considerably more. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe just do a border crossing and chill here for the foreseeable. I'll definitely need to find a place in nature Kep looks very like me. Looks like it'll be right for me. It's only half an hour away from Kampot. But yeah, it looks beautiful. Mountainous and watery. This place for the ice cream, W. I heard somebody say that on Exeter, and I was like, ooh, W, that's cool and hip. So yeah, I've already tried the blueberry one, and it's very good. It's like 70 pence for... Hello, can I see the ice creams? Thank you. Can I try this one?
Okay, blueberry sundae. Okay.
Perfect. Oh, I've done blueberry again. Oops. Cool. They've got them here, so next time I'll be able to choose without feeling pressured and choosing without the same bloody thing again. Oh, that's not all of them. Amazing. Thank you very much. Wow, so this is the place. I mean, it's highly recommended. I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine. But you have to leave your passport with them because they have to send it to Phnom Penh. So I was expecting something that looks a little... Oops, so I got... Oops, my bad. Oh, so friendly. Oh, we've got a very muddy pug. A noisy, muddy pug. Is it mud or is it a skin condition? I can't quite work it out. Hello, I hear you extend visa here? Tourist visa? Can you tell me about that?
$55
Okay.
for the 30-day tourist visa and 2-week process.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check my passport.
Yeah, you can come in. Come.
Okay.
Hey.
Con ở bên đấy rồi.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't sure if he was coming out to me or if I was meant to come in here. Okay, we do have an office. Okay, that's good. Excellent. So, I leave a passport with you?
Yeah. And you have any photo? No.
Oh, I do actually, but I've not brought them with me. Should I?
Okay, I can scan from here.
Okay, great. Can I pay in real?
Yep.
How much is 50?
220,000.
I might need to go to a bank actually. Oh yeah, I'll just go to the bank across the road.
Yeah.
So will you email me or call me or?
You have WhatsApp number?
Yeah.
Can I have your WhatsApp number, please?
Yeah, great. Always get extended, but never get rejected or?
No. They only sometimes I have problem only with some passport that goes through the border, but you go airport, so that's okay.
Okay, good.
So I send you a message.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Excellent. So you'll message me once it arrives back with a new visa.
Yeah. So just wait for the receipt. I give you the receipt.
And that price is for the visa and your service. Is that right?
Sorry?
The price is for everything, the visa and your service.
Everything.
Yeah. Fantastic. Alright, I'll see you in 10 days, something like that?
Something like that, yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
See you later, mate. Wow, I'm not sure if the camera will do it justice, but it looks like we might get to the water just in time for a rather spectacular sunset. No comment. I'm gonna buy some smaller papers for my morning smoke. A big raw Rizzler for your morning smoke is a bit extreme. So I'm thinking just a little pack of smaller ones. Maybe these. Hello, can I just take those please? This guy for the eagle-eyed amongst you has got some dazzling pink nails. Look at those Bobby Dazzlers. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'm going to try.
We're going to need some coffee and some milk, so we're going to try our first Cambodian coffee. And the last time I bought a coffee with an animal like that on, was it a weasel? Is it these weasels that shit out coffee? It was bloody good, so I don't know if this is a weasel shit coffee. I don't know because it's bloody expensive. Okay, all in all, a very successful trip. Managed to remember this. I would have been pissed off if I'd have woken up in the morning without any coffee. And I've been saying all day, don't forget to buy some bloody coffee, Tom, otherwise I'll be pissed off in the morning, like. So yeah, at first I was a little bit, to be honest, after reading what I've read online, I'm not concerned at all. So even when at first it was a bit, just not what I expected, not as much interaction, as much like, well yeah, if yours expires on this day, then oh, yeah, we've got this amount of days, yeah. Reassuring you, because you're a little mummy's boy that needs reassuring. Didn't get any of that. But by the end of it I was like, okay, this is all very professional, very good and friendly enough. She does this 20 times a day. Yeah, it's just a complete formality as far as she's concerned, which obviously it is. So yeah, that's another 6 weeks in Cambodia, along with the 2 weeks I already have. So yeah, great, don't need to think about anything for a little while. Next week I would like to think I'll come to some sort of conclusion on whether I should just do a border crossing or spend the $100 that I'll do doing that, flying to another country and experiencing another country, most probably either Philippines or Malaysia. Decisions. Ah, the giant ibis, that's the bus that I missed. So that's what I would have caught had I not have been a twat and missed my bloody bus. Wow, stunning pink skies tonight. That will probably be it for this video, so we'll end on this gorgeous pink sky. Please click some buttons. Love you lots. See you later.